Most business owners think the biggest threat to their company is a lack of sales, but that's not what shuts most businesses down. The real problem is cash flow. A business can be making sales every day and still struggle to pay bills, payroll, inventory costs, and operating expenses. Why? Because revenue and cash flow are not the same thing. Let's say you close a $20,000 contract today. That sounds great. But what if your client doesn't pay for 45 or 60 days? Meanwhile, you still have employees, rent, software subscriptions, and marketing expenses due this month. That's where cash flow becomes critical. Some of the biggest cash flow killers include late paying customers, high operating expenses, seasonal slowdowns, unexpected emergencies, and poor financial planning. That's why successful business owners don't just focus on generating revenue. They focus on managing cash flow. Ask yourself, how many months of expenses do I have saved? Do I have access to working capital if needed? Could my business survive a temporary downturn? These are the questions lenders and investors think about every day. If you want long-term business success, don't just track sales. Track cash flow, because cash flow isn't just a financial metric, it's the lifeline of your business. Follow for more business funding and financial growth strategies.